All right, so I started that business I've been telling you about, and I just got our first job. Actually, this is our second job. We advertise scrap removal, dump runs, and skid steer services. The first job was scrap removal. Check out what we got here. This person gave us all this stuff for free. This lawnmower is like brand new. There's some power tools. Check out this smoker. Like seriously, check it out. We're keeping it. So now, this is our first skid steer job. We're doing a fire break around a house and a barn and a couple other areas. They want 30 feet of clearance. Let's get loaded up and get over there. I don't know how much filming we're gonna be able to do on this job, but I'll do as much as I can. So I have kind of a messed up problem here. This is how I have to tow this if I'm gonna run this door. Cause the door has to clear right here. And I can't have the bucket down and flat because it won't fit in this trailer. So I'm gonna need to figure this problem out like soon, because I don't know that it's like illegal or anything, but it's definitely kind of weird towing this down the road like this. We're like just a few inches too long. And I just realized it's the tarp that I'm hitting when I come back. So I think I got my few inches if I just cut my welds off and move my tarp back a little. Let's do that real quick. I didn't think it was going to fall off like that. At least it didn't hit my truck.
No, it didn't. I was lucky.
Yeah, that was good. All right.
Sweet, it fits.
absolutely terrifying for me to drive that in there forward. I've always drove them in backwards, and I did this one forward this time because I'm completely out of diesel and I didn't want to have to unload the machine at the gas station. So I'm a little worried how that's going to come out, but maybe it's fine. I knew the old one I had, there's no way you could go in forward, like it would totally flip over. All right, it's the next day and we're back at the job. I don't know why, but I'm a little sketched out going backwards off this trailer. Sure, it's nothing, but I'm sketched out. I'm gonna set the GoPro up just in case something bad happens. I have no idea what that looked like, but that was terrifying. I don't want to do that again. Alright, we're going to clean this corral out now. I'm going to try to get some of these tires out of here, out of my way.